Hello, this is Tyson from Techie Tice, and today we're going to discuss some PowerPoint shortcuts. The shortcuts we'll be discussing are undo and redo. Let's get right into it. Now, if you press the delete button, delete this image of us eating some popcorn. Just press delete. To undo that, press and hold Control plus Z, and then to redo it, press Control and Y to redo. But it works in other applications too. So for example, if I was emailing my personal trainer of what I was eating for lunch today, I might insert a picture of me eating some popcorn. On second thought, I don't think my personal trainer will be too happy with my diet, so I'm going to delete it. I'll put a picture of a watermelon. Undo. Control Z. I'm going to redo it. Control Y. I'll let him know I'm eating popcorn. Subscribe for more PowerPoint tips.